up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is TishaTheBrave. Hope you guys are doing well, hope you guys are doing okay. Today I'm talking about the full moon in Virgo and what that means for us, okay? I'm really excited because we're underneath Pisces season. I'm a Pisces, so of course really excited for this season. And Pisces season is literally about spirituality and endings to beginnings, because life is a cycle, okay? And we're moving from winter into spring, and Virgos actually govern the house of work and health. Okay, so pairing these two together, the one message that I could really come up with was the fact that we need to be spring cleaning. And of course, with people who have physical disabilities, obviously do the best that you can do, and my empathy goes out to you. But for those who are physically able, we need to be spring cleaning, and I literally mean get rid of things, okay? So anything that is not serving you in your actual physical space needs to go. Your mind is often a reflection of the way you live, okay? If you are living in a cluttered state and you haven't done anything about it, you're probably not relaxing in your mind either, because it is really actually difficult to concentrate when you have so much going on around you. And when you do have that breathing room, you feel a lot better. You know, you open up the windows, you have all that clear space, and suddenly you have some serotonin up and through you, okay? Clearing all that clutter from your space clears all the clutter out your mind, which gives you more space to take in the messages from the divine, and it just gives you mental clarity in general. Also, I want you to take back your space. So, like for example, myself, there was a point where I was feeling like, maybe I shouldn't redecorate because one day I want to move out. Lord knows how long it will take. Don't think that you can't do anything nice for yourself just because one day you want to get to somewhere else. No, put the effort into making your space really nice. I have fresh flowers in my room. I have a plant in my room. I have a wall that has a lot of manga on it because I'm a big anime fan. I want to feel like my space is my own. And sometimes we do this thing where we don't want to do anything just yet because we're waiting till we move out to that other space, to that space that we really want, but we don't know how long that's going to be, realistically speaking. You could save all you want, you could do all you want, you could do whatever it is that you can. But the thing is, you never know how life is going to hit you, so you need to start working on your shit now, okay? There is no time like the present to get rid of things. And maybe your space is not exactly cluttered, maybe it's not exactly messy, but maybe if I was to look and open into a drawer, I would see wires and things, and that one day when you need that one particular wire for that one thing to work, you won't even know what that is. Okay, so you need to start sorting, decluttering, organizing, putting shit together, and making your space your own. And that will give you so much happiness, so much mental clarity, so that you can be in touch with the divine, okay? My name is TishaTheBrave, and don't forget to follow me if you guys like this content, because it really, really does help me out, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.